What's good, everybody's Top Flight Vending. Today we're installing a Nayax card reader. Into a drink machine. It is a Vendo 10 selection. First thing you do is remove this port here. Show you the next step. So once you get your Nayax out of the box, you have this component here, the device, connector, the antenna. So what you want to do, there's a little connection there. You see it? You push this in for the antenna, like so. You have this here. Plug that in like so. Go into this piece here. Beautiful. Attach your plastic piece back. So you want it like that, the wires to be in the grooves, and it'll snap in place. If you have any troubles, give me a sec. Like so. Good to go. I just insert it into the slot there and give it a screw. Next is your MBB connectors, which are here. Disconnect those. So you want the female side connect to the male side. Female into the male, like so. So that is coming from the machine into the Nayax. And this one goes from the coin mech to the Nayax machine, like so. Okay. These two you don't need for the decks. That's what it looks like when it's done. Just tuck the wires away. Make sure it's good. Power it on. Make sure your antenna is placed on the outside of the machine to get the best reception. There you go. Nayax is installed. Make sure you got the green lights there. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. 1.